Welcome to Anoma's cooking. Today I'm going to make a tasty okra stir fry. Okra 250 grams, salt, curry powder, coconut oil, pandan leaves and curry leaves, green chili, clove of garlic, 1 tomato, onion, chili flakes, turmeric powder. Now everything is ready. Going to add some oil. Oil is heated now. I add curry leaves and pandan leaves, and then I am going to add the garlic and the onions. Onions are halfway cooked. Now green chilies. Then the okra. Salt. And going to cover this and cook until it's soft. Smells good. Hot tomatoes. Turmeric, chili flakes and curry powder. Mix well. After adding chili powder, I am not going to cover with the lid and going to cook for another 1 minute. You should try this tasty okra stir fry. Thank you for watching. Join me next time to cook a tasty curry with love.